Welcome back to the channel. Today's Korea adventure is all about contrasts, and honestly, that's what makes days like this unforgettable. We're kicking things off right in the heart of Gwangjang Market, where the energy hits you the moment you step in. After filling up on street food happiness, we're slowing the pace and heading over to the iconic Starfield Library. And to wrap up the day, we're wandering into the Insadong area for a cozy dinner.
Day 3, outfit check. Where are we going today? Library and Gwangjang Market. Morning guys. So today, hindi masyadong malamig. -1 lang. Kayang-kaya. Kaya kahit hindi ako mag-gloves ngayon. Kaya, pero naka-gloves pa rin ako. So try na lang natin mag-walk sa ibang alley kasi andito yung parang small market nila na may iba't ibang establishment. Pakita namin sa inyo. So itong lugar na to napapaligiran talaga ng mga kainan. Saka paggabi nagiging inuman, hangout area ng mga locals. Ayan o, tabi-tabi yan. Malapit lang ito sa hotel namin. Kaya talagang mabubundat ka dito kung mahilig ka sa pagkain. Ang dami. Ayan o. Ang sasarap. Kaya lang may parang masyadong maaga pa. Hindi pa ata bukas yung iba. Yung lahat. Ang ganda ni ate. And Ayla is like a kid on the snow. Look at me. You're so cute.
After walking for quite a while, weaving through side streets, dodging the morning rush, and following the smell of something delicious, we finally stumbled upon our breakfast haven. And honestly, it couldn't have been more perfect.
Okay, let's go in. Let's eat.
I want the strawberry.
Okay.
Pancake, pancake.
Yeah, let's eat, bro. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, come on, come on. Wow, so good inside. Ang init. So, my observation here in Korea, kapag pupunta ka sa mga establishments and restaurants, masyado silang magalang and accommodating. Kaya hindi ka mahihirapang makipag-communicate. Although in some cases, may in-experience kami na hindi nag-i-English, but they will still try their best to accommodate. Kaya masaya, feel at home. Pag nandito ka, I don't have any complaints so far. Oh, you look like Saja baby. Let's try this floppy bread.
I'm trying to properly aim at.
Sarap. Ayan, meron siyang foam, tapos yung floppy bread.
That's so good. Charming. That's so good. I'll give to you.
Hot
You
choco.
want cream or no? Cream? So good. The banana's so good.
But kuya, what's your rating? 5 stars?
Banana. No.
After that light breakfast, we picked up the pace and made our way straight to Gwangjang Market.
So this is on our way to Gwangjang Market area. Nakita namin itong river at the back na napakaganda, kaya explore muna namin bago kami pumunta sa market.
This is the Cheonggyecheon Stream, a long restored urban stream that runs right through central Seoul and passes very close to the market. It's an easy walk from the market and a popular spot for strolling, taking photos, or cooling off after exploring the food stalls. Little did we know, this peaceful stream wasn't just a pretty walkway, it's actually a popular filming spot for K-dramas. So there we were, casually strolling along Cheonggyecheon, not realizing we were walking through scenes we probably watched on screen a dozen times.
And I am crossing this bridge myself. Come on, let's do it. Sana hindi ako malaglag. Oh. It's not that hard. Nalinis ang tubig guys, oh. Kitang-kita nyo. Napakalinaw. Walang basura. Sana ganyan din sa atin, ano? And the good thing is, after 3 days, climatized na ako. -1, -2. normal na pala dito yon, so hindi na siya masyadong malamig. Ganon din sa akin, hindi na rin siya masyadong malamig. Pero syempre kailangan pa rin ng jacket at saka scarf at saka gloves maminsan-minsan, kasi lalo na kapag mahangin bigla siyang lumalamig. So this is the market, guys. Medyo maaga, wala pang masyadong establishment na bukas, pero madami din kainan, madaming mabibili. Ayan.
The moment we stepped into Gwangjang Market, it was like walking straight into a food lover's paradise. Every corner was alive, pan sizzling, vendors calling out, and that incredible mix of aromas that hits you all at once. You've got stacks of freshly made mandu, bubbling pots of tteokbokki, and long rows of stalls serving the famous Maya gimbap that everyone swears is addictive. And then there's the Jian Alley, golden, crispy pancakes frying nonstop, each one bigger than the last. It's chaotic in the best way possible, and honestly, choosing what to eat first might be the hardest decision you make all day.
We're looking for a place. Ayun, pwede yata doon, no? For a place to eat. Do you wanna try that?
Yeah, I want some
This is tanghulu, a shiny, crunchy, sugar-coated fruit on a stick that you'll see all over Seoul now, especially near markets, shopping streets, and subway exits. It's originally a Chinese snack, but Korea has fully embraced it.
So each of these guys is 5,000 won.
Okay, wait, let me try.
So we're paying 15,000 right now. What is this? Ano kuya?
Try it. Good?
Can I?
Can I try?
Para siyang candy.
I got mandarin and strawberry.
It's good.
Yeah, good.
Then we made our way through the busy market, on the hunt for a restaurant where we could dive into even more amazing food.
It is exciting to eat outside, kaya lang meron din silang mga establishment na pwede kang pumasok. Kagaya kami, may mga bata kami makukulit, hindi pwede makipag-60 sa labas, kaya dito na lang kami sa loob. I think the price is quite similar, hindi naman siya masyadong nag-iiba, kaya
Then our orders started to arrive.
this is chewy cow skin and rice. So paghahaluin nga ba, rice.
Yeah.
And this is a boneless chicken feet.
Boneless chicken feet.
It's gonna be some eating.
No bone.
Lucas, are you excited?
No. Yeah, chicken feet.
Let's try this boneless chicken feet.
Thing. Eat the feet. No. Okay, guys.
Follow up ng bawang. Ang sarap ng bawang nila. Ito naman yung soup chicken, cowline.
So I'm gonna eat it right now. First time eating chicken feet.
Sarap mga guys. Tapos yung sabaw niya. Actually maraming kasama siya
Spicy?
pag binigay.
Spicy, okay. I just went cold. Huh? Beef tripe. What's tripe?
Ano naman yung beef tripe?
What's the body part of it?
Ito naman yung beef tripe. Try natin. It's good. Everything is good. But Sayan is not so adventurous. Sayan, not so adventurous. And she's not liking it.
Then we headed back out for dessert and grabbed a hotdog. That warm, golden, syrup-filled pancake that smells so good you can spot it from halfway down the street. It was the perfect sweet treat to wrap up our food hunt.
Para siyang cinnamon bread. Next destination is Starfield Coex Mall.
Starfield Coex Mall stands out as one of Seoul's most iconic indoor destinations, known for its massive scale, modern design, and the instantly recognizable Starfield Library. It's located in Gangnam and is considered the largest underground shopping mall in the world, offering a mix of shopping, dining, entertainment, and cultural experiences all in one place.
So dito sa loob ng mall, pwedeng mag-shopping, kaya lang medyo mahal na. Dito rin mga branded, mga brand new. So ganda pa rin doon sa para sa akin mga Cheonggyecheon. Welcome guys to the biggest library in the world.
This is Starfield Library, the mall's most famous attraction, featuring towering bookshelves, warm lighting, and a stunning open design that draws visitors for photos, reading, and relaxing.
Ang daming nga lang tao ngayon. Siyempre, tourist spot. Try natin na mag-get. The library guys, but you're not allowed to touch the books. Maybe for now. That is just basically a tourist spot guys. You're not allowed to touch the books. Pero it's nice to see. At least in real form.
The outside of Starfield Coex Mall gives off a sleek, modern Gangnam vibe, the kind of place where the architecture already feels like part of the experience. The main entrances are wrapped in curved glass facades and smooth metallic structures, creating a clean, futuristic look that stands out among the surrounding skyscrapers. Wide open plazas, patches of greenery, and clear signage make the area feel spacious despite being in one of Seoul's busiest districts. After visiting Starfield, we made our way out to the train station and headed back to the hotel for a quick break, just enough time to recharge, freshen up, and get ready for our dinner plans later that night.
Okay, room check. Di ka pa napapakita. Ganito pala yung itsura ng room namin dito sa South Korea sa Ibis Hotel. Hindi siya masyadong malaki pero komportable naman. At space-wise, medyo maliit lang pero okay namang tulugan. At ito yung toilet. Hindi masyadong kalaki. But still, the location. Kita nyo naman yung neighborhood namin. Puro kainan. Maganda yung location. Ayan.
After a short break at the hotel, we headed back out just around our neighborhood, ready to hunt down a good spot for dinner.
Pag pumapasok nga pala kayo sa mga ganitong restaurant, init. Kaya kailangan mo magtanggal ng kahit tapos paglabas, sobrang lamig naman. Grabe. Stream of both worlds talaga. They serve it with the soup. Kuya, you have your own soup.
Wait a sec.
So yung ito sila nakabalot pa talaga. Kaya kita mo malinis. Now let's try the soup.
I can't eat it.
Wait, we so clumsy, Ayla.
Very hearty. Para siyang miso na may halong chicken. Interesting taste, but delicious.
Our orders finally arrived, and the moment they hit the table, they were absolutely mouth-watering.
What's purple?
And the beef.
Yeah, that's it. It's also a rice. Yeah. That's a healthy one.
Wow.
Let's try it. Oh!
Then follow up with rice. Kamay egg. And
Ate, mama, oh.
onion.
Wala ka lang. Mag-rice kayo, guys, ha? Ayla.
So good.
Mom's is so good.
And the kids are enjoying the chicken and rice. What about you, Ate?
I like mom's.
What about your food?
I did eat it, yeah. I like it. Ang sarap ng sa'yo, ate.
Side dish nila.
Let's try the rice.
Try the rice. Rice is
Lasang sesame.
a healthy one.
Good, Ate. Try natin yung chicken.
Sarap. And then yung bulgogi ni Joy.
I love it.
Nice. Sarap lahat.
So good.
Sarap sa restaurant na ito. Simot sarap. Kung ano yung nakikita nyo sa picture sa labas, gano'n na gano'n siya pag sinerve. Tapos yung lasa, panalo. Pasok sa panlasang Pinoy.
Look how much I ate.
Right after dinner, we spotted this salted butter bread shop just in front of the restaurant, and there was no way we could walk past it. The place was absolutely packed, people lining up non-stop, and that alone sparked our curiosity. So of course, we had to try it for ourselves.
Subukan natin ng pinipita na bread. Unang-una, malambot siya.
Simo? Parang may cheese ba sa loob? Wala. No. It'll be very
Para siyang croissant. Buttery. Soft.
Salted. Salted
Medyo
butter yan.
salted. Sarap. Kaya pala sa pinitilahan.
And that's how we wrapped up our night, full, happy, and a little extra from that salted butter bread. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.